how to use Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to use Facebook, it is very simple. First of all, go ahead and launch Facebook app. I'm assuming that you've already created an account and done everything. I'm going to leave that. If you don't know how to create an account or sign up a login, we've already made a dedicated video on that as well. You can simply search them up in our channel. Once we've done that, when you first log into Facebook, you will see this type of interface. At the very top, you have all the story section where you'll be able to see stories of other people and like and react to it. If you would like to create a story, you can tap create story option. If you scroll down, these are all of the feeds and all the recommendations, sponsored ads, everything that other people share who are on a friend list will show up on your timeline. And you can also, of course, react to it if you'd like, or you can simply go ahead and then tap the share option if you want to share them to your profile, or you can also leave a comment. The next step on our Facebook is basically the friend circle. As you can find it here, you'll be able to see all of the suggested friends. You can accept friend requests from friends, or you can also send a friend request to people. If you'd like to watch something on Facebook because you're maybe bored, you can come to this watch tab and you can basically go ahead and watch whatever else you prefer here. If you want to shop some products, you can go to Facebook Marketplace, and if you want to see all the notifications, you can come here. If you tap the three lines, you have more options. You can change what you can show up over here. You can see Marketplace, you can play games on Facebook as well. You can see the feeds, friends, groups, videos, memories saved, and so on. Now there are just so many aspects to using Facebook that I will not be able to cover each of them in detail on this video. So if you want a longer video guide, do make sure to leave me down in the description box below. Over here you can see help and support, where you'll be able to contact Facebook if you face any type of issues. If you go to settings and privacy, you'll be able to change your account settings, such as your main settings about who can see you, your profile, your reaction preferences, deactivation and deletion. You can also go to privacy shortcuts to view what kind of privacy shortcuts you want to customize, what kind of people can send you friend requests, and so on. If you come back, you'll be able to see orders and payments. You can turn on dark mode if you'd like on your Facebook application, or you can select use system settings here. Once you've done that, you can also change the app language and so on. So I hope I covered as much in detail as to how you can get started and begin using Facebook. As you start using it, you'll get the hang of it eventually. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.